Hey guys, so today we have a 2020 BMW 840i convertible. Let me tell you a little bit about this beast. 8 Series is really starting to grow on me just because of the rarity of them. I mean, I don't think I've seen one on the road except once in the past 2 years, so definitely something that makes it unique. So, the 8 Series. I mean, where do I start? Beautiful front end. So the 8 Series actually replaced the 6 Series. They brought the 8 Series back. I think in the 90s, the 8 Series was a thing. And they took it off the market. They stopped production on them. They made the 6 Series, and now they no longer produce the 6 Series and make the 8 Series again. Look at that. Convertible 4 Series, the first one that we've ever gotten. Look at that. 21, new body style. Anyways, this has about 335 horsepower. Again, BMW redesigned most of its interiors in between 20 and 21. So you have your digital cockpit, heated steering wheel, safety features. So all this is going to be very like universal between the different series. But this car, you know, definitely turns heads. Let's just say that. The 840 has an inline-6 twin-power turbo, of course. And now the 8 Series comes in different models. Of course, the M850, which comes in the V8 twin turbo, and then the M8, which is a beast as well, comes in the V8 twin turbo. But I mean, that one's obviously an M, so it's gonna be more tuned. Smoothness on the car, effortless beauty, effortless drive, effortless everything. Handling is very nice. This is an X drive, so it's all-wheel drive. Alrighty, and the 8 Series comes in a coupe, in a convertible, and in a sedan. So I'd rate this car like 8 out of 10.